Mantse finally meets Otumfuo Asantehene. Beautiful relationship, beautiful connection. They both sat on the same table, and many more details. I am sure so a lot of videos on the internet about the Otumfuo Asantehene to the second commemorative stamp. But the main reason why you're supposed to watch this video to the end, and is that there are some details in I'm sure say when to me about 2 to 3 details. According to history, did you ever know that the idea of a postal stamps way back, dating way back to about 184 years ago? This idea it me by into effect. And it me launch a Otumfuo commemorative stamp at the Otumfuo Asantehene Jubilee Hall near one of the idea. You know that it dates back to about 184 years ago. And another surprising thing about this video also share the Queen of England was the first person that did a name to so as a commemorative stamps. What did he carry the name to so? I a Queen of England. It is the ABS da. But the Otumfuo the extraordinary and it said Otumfuo Asantehene the second is the first monarch, is the first king. According to the IPU, the International Postal Union, these commemorative stamps of Otumfuo Asantehene will be used in about 152 countries across the world. And this news is something that is very large, and I don't know why the media is not talking about it. The stamp of the Asantehene is going to be used in about 152 countries. And so all these countries, 152 need all the commemorative stamps, postal stamps, the Otumfuo I was this interesting video. Let me have me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and also Twitter. And so now bet me a TV so audio mark. So we share more YouTube channel so there. I'm already visual by subscribing to this channel. Send a BIA to say keep on so sabet me akabi. Then moment you want to be the first person in the video to my phone back catch out there. And also subscribe me via fans about man so they choose to all know. The history that dates way back to about 184 years ago. A Queen of England. Ono ye identity anon. Sabra me no kasa ya. The Asantehene. Wa breaking that record no class aye the broso. Cutting across about 152 countries worldwide. Me and go to the beautiful details in the video and the beautiful relationship connections I saw between the Ga Mantse and the Otumfuo Asantehene. Almost with me ko PM on the same table, being led by the Otumfuo Asantehene.
K1ng will try pa.
Tonight is an auspicious night, a night of history. You're observing the gallant entry of the 16th occupant of the Golden Stool, His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Asantehene II, 25 years of the Golden Stool. If you recall, on the 26th of April, 1999, he became the 16th occupant of the Golden Stool. Tonight, we are here, unfolding history, making history alive. It's a wonderful night, and the executive cocktail tonight is awesome. And you're all looking beautiful and handsome. It's amazing, the blend of culture and the blend of modernity. Thank you so much. Shall we now resume our seats? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good evening, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I need to commend everyone here because indeed you are the first audience in this magnificent edifice. Today, history has been made. The fact that you are here as the first beneficiary of the Otumfuo Osei TuTu the second Jubilee Hall makes it history. A round of applause for yourself. Tonight, we stand witness to the tapestry of gratitude of our King, His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei TuTu the second, who for 25 remarkable years has led the Asante Kingdom with wisdom, dignity, and humility. On behalf of the Silver Jubilee Planning Committee, the Ghana Post, the Ministry of Communication and Digitalization, it's a pleasure to welcome you to this spectacular cocktail to launch the Asantehene commemorative stamp. Perhaps old age is taking a shine away. I can't remember the last time you wrote a letter, went to the post office, bought a postage stamp, post a letter to a loved one. I don't know the last time you did that. Not even the Minister of Education. Not even him. But tonight, we will rekindle our passion of letter writing. We will rekindle our emotions, put them on paper, buy postage stamp, and post letters to our loved ones. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my name is K1ng Ghana, and now assist me to welcome the chairman of the Silver Jubilee Committee. He happens to be the chairman of the Council of State and the Omahene of Asante Jobbing, Nana Otumfuo II, for the opening remarks. A round of applause for Nana Jobbing.
Your Royal Majesty Otumfuo Asantehene II, Lady Julia, Ministers of State, in particular the Minister of Education and Minister of Digitalization and Communication, Niga ni Teko Churu II, Ga Mantse, His Lordship, the immediate past Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, the board and management of Ghana Post, Nananom, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Otumfuo Osei TuTu the second Silver Jubilee Planning Committee, I have the singular honor and pleasure to welcome you all to this evening's event, the first ever to be held in the grandeur of this great royal hall. Almost 3 weeks ago, Otumfuo presented this magnificent edifice to Asante to commemorate his 25 years reign on the golden stool. By our custom and tradition, the first act that should follow such a presentation is a presentation of drinks to the donor to seal the offer. And this ceremony is normally referred to as Otusa, and I say, Wastampuso. By Ghana Post performing the first act in this hall of presenting a commemorative stamp to Otumfuo, they have indeed given a figurative and literal meaning to the word stamp. And we thank you very much for that. When Ghana Post made the presentation to the Otumfuo Silver Jubilee Committee to launch a commemorative stamp in honor of Otumfuo as part of the anniversary celebrations, we accepted it without blinking an eye, as it resonated with the theme of the celebration, that is 25 years of local and global impact. We were particularly impressed with the following features of the program. One, the design concepts and guidelines were indeed veritable snapshots of Otumfuo's activities, progress, and achievements over the past 25 years, both locally and globally. The wide range of stamp types, from the conventional standard stamp to the modern creator stamp, of which I have no idea. And finally, the immortalization of the legacy of Otumfuo long after the joy and pleasant excitement of the festivities of the celebrations. Our only worry, however, was whether they could pull it off before the peak of the celebration, that is the 12th of May. We congratulate Ghana Post for their tenacity for making the launch possible with the time frame that we gave them. Obuo, the CEO, has indeed lived up to his appellation that he is indeed a hard rock, Obutentim. And we also thank the board for ably supporting him to chalk this achievement. We thank you all for honoring our invitation at the expense of other equally demanding social and private engagements. We hope that you find the evening's activities both rewarding and stimulating and entertaining. I hope that from here you will embellish your CVs by saying that we are one of the first people to be present when Otumfuo's Golden Jubilee Hall had its first function. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you.
International Postal Union. They'll sell it in how many countries? 152. 152 countries in the world.
Tonight, we have a documentary of how the whole journey started. Let's enjoy the documentary.
About 184 years ago, Roland Hill, a social reformer, campaigned for the first postage stamp to be issued. Before then, Britain tended to rely on recipients making payments for mails on receipt, and merchants in the late 1600s marked posts with official company stamps. Small pieces of paper with gum on one side and an effigy of Queen Victoria were sold for the first time at post offices on Wednesday, 6th of May, 1840. Since then, the effigy of the reigning British monarchs, from Queen Victoria through to Queen Elizabeth II, were personalities printed on postal stamps. The introduction of postal stamps in Africa coincided with a period when the scramble for political influence and control in Africa by Europe was at its peak, and thus stamps by various colonies had images that reflected the colonial power at play. Then came the independence of African states that saw thousands of stamps being created by over 20 independent sovereign states up until today. These stamps help to tell the history and culture of African countries and has as well been used to commemorate landmark achievements of governments, personalities, events, and to celebrate individual milestones. Ghana Post issued its first commemorative stamps in March 1957 at independence and has issued several commemorative stamps throughout history.
Ghana Post has been printing stamps since the colonial days, when the post office was first being managed by the colonial masters. When Ghana gained independence, there was a postal stamp on the Declaration of Independence. Now, postal stamps come in two forms. We have both the definitive stamps and the commemorative stamps. The definitive stamps are the stamps that are used for your everyday postage. Aside that, there's also the commemorative stamps, and commemorative stamps are stamps that are usually used to mark occasions or celebrate an anniversary, or to also celebrate some personalities. There have been several commemorative stamps that have been issued. When you come to Ghana, there have been commemorative stamps that has marked, aside the Declaration of Independence, there's been commemorative stamps on K1ng Ghana. There's been commemorative stamps on the different presidents that have been in Ghana, all the different heads of states. There's been different commemorative stamps that have been issued to honor them and also to celebrate them. There's been commemorative stamps on some key personalities like some chiefs. So there's been a commemorative stamps during the reign of Otumfuo Asantehene. Also in Ghana, there's been commemorative stamp on women achievers. And so the very first female judge in Ghana, Annie Ajayi, there was a stamp on her personality. There's been commemorative stamps on Asante. If you go internationally, there's been commemorative stamps on Queen Elizabeth when she celebrated her 100 years on the throne. There's also been commemorative stamps that's been issued on different personalities. Also, there've been commemorative stamps on some festivals. So stamps have been used as a major tool for tourism promotion and also as a tool of telling history. And these stamps have become collector's items. Some have become souvenirs that have been passed on from generation to generation and from time to time.
Since history is calling again with the 25th anniversary of Otumfuo Asantehene II, creating an Otumfuo commemorative stamp to mark the Silver Jubilee is an enviable task that Ghana Post is proud to be associated with. The Otumfuo commemorative stamp comes with post stamps, postcards, and gold-plated frames that symbolizes unity, strength, harmony, and fortitude of the Ashanti Kingdom under the reign of His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei II.
Ghana Post, as the designated postal services provider for Ghana, decided to collaborate with the Ministry of Communication and Digitalization and the Office of the President, and of course some additional partners including GCB, Goil, and Ghana Gas, to honor Otumfuo Asantehene Abebio on his marking of the 25th anniversary of his occupancy of the Golden Stool as Asantehene, with the Asantehene commemorative stamp. Now, the Asantehene commemorative stamp is a special stamp project that comes in different forms. And we're also going to have the crypto stamp. Throughout Africa, there's never been a crypto stamp. And in the stamp world, the crypto stamp is the new stamp that is in vogue. And so Otumfuo's stamp becomes the very first crypto stamp to have been released on the continent of Africa. Now, apart from the crypto stamp, there's also the royal stamp frame. The royal stamp frame is a stamp that people would acquire, people will keep in their offices, they'll keep in their homes. It's a frame of a stamp that Otumfuo Asantehene have endorsed. We are also going to release a set of postcards. Now, these postcards will be packaged in sets of 10. People can buy them in bulk, or people can also decide to buy them individually as different postcards.
The Otumfuo commemorative stamp marks His Royal Majesty's 25 years ascension to the Ashanti throne and will be etched in history as a celebration of rich culture, heritage, and tradition. Long live the king, long live Asante, and long live our beloved nation, Ghana.
Opanyin dwan wi ane nso Asante no ye mpanimfo ne kan ye no intumi mfa bi nka ho ma ne yi. Do not forget to share this video, share this video, share this video. No ne hu hia na onua bi nso nya bi hwe. Ai share this video. Unsubscribe ye nso a ene no subscribe. Biggest credit goes to Otumfuo Radio. Biggest credit goes to Otumfuo TV. Biggest credit goes to otumfuo.com. Minimum ina mo wedding kra. Be say share on our next video. Within the Ken. Onua kenni ai bebre no ani medada. Ni won komo kituwa bi. Hu hia me pa. Sa na me ye sure so say hu be hia won so. Ensem tia bi pe intimame wi a America krabi the edi kind eda obi ase a waso ye K1ng Ghana mu a waso me mu especially on a TikTok ami adom wankasa onwane odonti yene na mo 100,000 that is 10% of 1 million people even e bi say gusompo ana e follow yen ana mo di echi e wo ye TikTok sa wodo ye anso na mo yi kire me e wo ye Facebook na de me pese mo hunu ni aresrede e ho wonfa so ene say afi ne mabie e YouTube account e ye mono pa the content e wo mu kura ndiro ba bia afi ne de ba there are a lot of beautiful packages and they break Ghana for muni media muni se de misi meduma enunti nsi me fo oni gi video bia me de bebe bia ho enunti mesre wade ba ko pese ye tie abusua foforo wa hai e YouTube hai ma remfi se be subscribe channel we ama me an muni se de misi meduma video ne sofo ma obi eni je ho we ye abusua ku foforo a ye ti ne YouTube hai ti no channel ya ya bofra afi na wo nyini mesre wo se be ka me ho ne nyini hade ye ne nso nka ho se de maboa ama ene TikTok the woni padodo be almost 10% of over 1 million people ne follow your TikTok amanam sa so e ye bi kire me e wo ye Facebook subscribe channel we so mami emum de hia ne say o subscribe wi a ma we mfisa adoma na that subscription in channel what won sabe boso na we choose all we say details na credit nyina hwehwa na de abramo ebie mu so ha YouTube haye se na bia obedi kan na won sa ka video bia me de beba bia nti esa sere obi o say o subscribe wi a ma we mfisa what won sabe bo adoma na that subscription in channel na we choose all no ye nyina busua we bra de be kam ho ne ye nyini we so enka ne ya dada no within the Ken the catch content I dey be go YouTube ha no ano dancing the munim dada afi na afi ye bebe radio mu dro ni ye sure so woni se me de meye ma ko hwe no kura no afi tifini apiwe ni anafo abro oda me wo ma wonti mo nua Ken ni subscribe konsa bo adoman choose all afi share video yi e mani padodo bebre na won so nya bi hwe ni mu se manu asi we de kia subscribe rather da e de won sa bo adoman so e choose all no we dey the Ken no we dey kra e be se share on our next video
K1 oh boy Juma we dey Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic so you see commentary no news in the bar so you see commentary for home so good keep on going
and the star also the ebema other tribe aflow unyi sorted India temni that's how becano it's so painful I know shit I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and maybe I will strength free the bit. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1 modern. K1 will try pa.
K1 oh boy Juma we dey Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic so you see commentary no news in the bar so you see commentary for home so good keep on going
and the star also the ebema other tribe aflow unyi sorted India temni that's how becano it's so painful I know shit I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and maybe I will strength free the bit it's all good oh yeah dear K1 modern K1 will try pa